In this video, I'll detail how to restore deleted Instagram posts on your account. So if you have some Instagram posts, Instagram reels or highlights you've deleted for a couple of days, and then you want to restore it, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this. So it's worth noting that your deleted Instagram post reels stays on your Instagram account for 30 days before permanently deleted. So if after 30 days, you might not be able to restore your deleted post on Instagram again. So here, I'll walk you through how you can easily restore all deleted posts on Instagram if they are still available on your Instagram profile. So this could be after a year ago, and this could be after 30 days. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to find and restore your deleted post on Instagram, all you just need to do is go to your phone and open the Instagram application. Now, once opened the Instagram application, go ahead and click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Now, while on your Instagram profile page, click on the menu icon at the top right. Then once you selected that, what you need to do here is go to how you use Instagram and then click on your activity. Here you can manage recently deleted posts, archive posts, like, comments, note tags, sticker response and reviews. Then you can just scroll down and go to remove and archived content, then click on recently deleted. Once you selected that, here you have access to all your recently deleted posts, recently deleted story, then recently deleted reels. Then now, to recover or restore any of your posts recently deleted, you can see only you can see this post. They will be permanently deleted after the number of days shown. After that, you won't be able to restore them again. So if you delete any Instagram post after 30 days, so if you delete any Instagram post and it's more than 30 days, then you'll be able to restore it again. But if it's still within the range of 30 days, you will be able to restore the Instagram post back to your Instagram profile. However, to restore any of these deleted Instagram video, images or posts, just click on the post like this, then click on the menu at the top right, then come here and tap restore. Then choose the button that says restore post, click on restore. Now again, go back to the other post, repeat the same process to restore all the posts you recently deleted on your Instagram page back to your Instagram profile. So you need to do this on all the posts you want to restore that you deleted on your Instagram. So after that, you can just hit the back button. Once you're done restoring the post back to your Instagram profile, just hit the back button. Then on your Instagram profile page, just refresh. And then once you refresh it, just scroll down. Then you should see the post restored back to your Instagram profile page. So that is basically how to restore deleted Instagram posts. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.